The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Monroe County in southeast Pennsylvania, eastern Sussex County in northeast New Jersey, eastern Warren County in northeast New Jersey, until 6:18 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warren, moving east at 89 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and strong winds in excess of 78 miles per hour. Source: weather spotters confirmed large wall cloud. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to anyone without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report a tornado by calling the National Weather Service toll-free 123-822-199-2939 when you can do it so safely.